Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a scrolling racer game. So let's make it. So first things first, delete the Scratchcat. And then for me, I will upload a sprite. And then yeah, I'll pick my car. And then I'll name it car. And then I would set the size to 35, let's say. There you go. And then I am going to draw a map, a track. Takes a while. So I will make a green backdrop, like this. Just follow me. Go away from here. And then we will make lines. We will make this 80. And then we'll pick a grey color. Nice grey color. I would start my line right here. And then I'll end it right here. And then to make the track, you'll use the reshape tool. So just make curvy lines like this. Yeah. And like this. And like this. And then we'll make this. This. And then I will make it this. Just follow me, okay? And then this. So make it simple. And then I'll delete this. Put it here. And then just make Okay, like this. So made it, and I will add a black line. So wait, I'll make it 11. Put it right here, and there you go. So now let's go to code, car. Actually, we'll change the name here to track car. So when green flag clicked, we'll make a variable. We'll rename this variable. We'll call it speed. We'll set speed to 0, and then we'll go to front layer, then forever if key up arrow pressed, we will change speed by 0.4, and then we'll set speed time sign speed speed times 0.97, and then we will move speed steps. So now you have it, you can move it, but you can't turn it. So I'll make it an if key right arrow pressed, we will turn 4 degrees. To click that, we put in left arrow. If left arrow key pressed, we'll turn left 4 degrees. So now we can turn our car and move it. Now we'll add the down arrow key. We will put in another if. Click it. If down arrow key pressed, we will change speed by 0.35. No, negative 0.35. Now backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. Now you can't just drive and then if you hit the grass it doesn't slow down, so we'll make that. So in here we'll put in an if else block, put it there, if else block. So if touching color green, if touching color green, so and then we will change speed here by 0.09, then here we'll change speed by 0.06, negative. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next part. Bye.